Round of applause for his first.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
We're listening.
Please, 8 minutes.
I've been working in this industry since 10 years now, and I've been very lucky and fortunate to work with some amazing actors, writers and directors, जिसमें से बहुत से लोग आज यहाँ मौजूद हैं। मैं आप सब से बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर होता हूँ। आप सब ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ सिखाया है। And till date, I'm learning from each one of you. और अगर आज मैं थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें आप सबका बहुत ज़्यादा contribution है, so thank you so much. This is the first time that I'm getting the Popular Choice Award as an actor. Farooq bhai, I'm grateful to you. आप जितने अच्छे डायरेक्टर हैं उससे कई ज़्यादा आप अच्छे इंसान हैं। रोए मत रो थोड़ा यार, मेरा अवार्ड है। It's always an honor to work with you. प्यार के साथ के and now Ishq Murshid, and I'm looking forward to working with you again. My entire cast, especially Dure Fisher, Shibra, thank you so much for your support and help. Ali Gul, Mr. Bhale, Umair Rana, Awais Suleiman, the writer of the show, Abdul Khalik, in सबकी support के बगैर this wouldn't have been possible. And last में I want to dedicate this one to my papa, who came all the way और आने के लिए, और he wanted to see me on stage receiving this award. If there's anyone who's happier than me, if there's anyone who's happier than me in this moment, that's you. This one's for you. I love you. Thank you, audience. Thank you, Urban Man. Thank you, Hum Network, for making this possible. And I hope मैं इसी तरह काम करता रहूँ और आप लोग मुझे इसी तरह प्यार करते रहें. Thank you so much.